It's going to be a quick overview of setting up the developer environment, the editor, as well as writing some JavaScript code and then seeing it visually being rendered out within the browser window. This is a setup lesson to set up and get coding. So I've got my editor opened on the left-hand side. The editor that I am using in the course is Visual Studio Code. You don't have to use Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever editor you're most comfortable with. If you are interested in Visual Studio Code, it's available at code.visualstudio.com. In addition, I am using a Chrome browser, so that's going to be opened on the right-hand side as we go through the lessons. And for the Chrome browser, I am also going to be using the DevTools, and this is going to give us a place to write and execute JavaScript code. So you can open up the DevTools by right-clicking anywhere and selecting Inspect. And as well, you can go in the top right-hand side. You'll see 3 dots. This is another way that you can open up the developer tools. This is on a Chrome browser. The various browsers will have their own versions of the developer tools. I've got the developer tools docked on the bottom of the window, and then developer tools, and open it up to the console. So from here we can type in JavaScript code rendered out directly within the browser. So that's so we can get that high pop-up. The docking position can also be changed to either to the side, the left side, the right side, or to pop it out. Coming lessons, I am going to be writing the code in the left-hand side, and we've got the JavaScript JS file that we're going to be connecting to. This JS file is going to be on the same directory as the HTML file, using the script tags and the source attribute to the JavaScript file. Open it up within the browser, run the file so that you can see the contents of the file being rendered out in the browser, and then also create a JS file. We're also going to be making use of the console log. So console log is a way to communicate directly into the browser. And you can write various console messages and have the output rendered out when the file loads into the browser console. So go ahead and try it out. Use console.log, and then within the parentheses, the rounded brackets, go ahead and type a message, wrap it with quotes around it, and you're going to be ready to move on to the next lesson.